How to fix Forza Horizon 6 failed to launch Forza Horizon 6.exe error code 740. First step, search for command prompt, click run as administrator, type the following text sfc space slash scan now, type it and click OK. Wait for some time, it's entirely verifying your files in your device. The verification is ongoing. Once the verification complete after, exit it, then move on with next step. Search for device manager, click it, click display adapters, right click the driver and click update driver. You can update the driver by using this method, or else you can check the drivers here and go to browser, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version, depends on your device. Move on with next step. Click settings, click app settings, click installed app, scroll down, search for gaming services, click the three dot icon, click advanced option, scroll down, under reset click repair. Sometimes repair will not work because if it's running in background means it will not work. In this case you need to click reset. Once the reset complete after, come back, scroll down and search for Xbox. Click the three dot icon, click advanced option, scroll down, under reset click repair. Click reset. Close it. Next step, search for event viewer, click it, click Windows logs, click application, click it, find the error occurred at the exact time, open it and check the faulty application name or exception code or information related to the error. Scroll down and check it. Check the information here. So in this you need to check the information related to the error. Thank you.